Hey guys, so I'm super excited. Oops, I'm always super excited, right? But no, this time I'm like really super excited. I just got back from the Starship Enterprise and had a meeting with Spock, and he showed me how skincare is done in the future. Yeah, the future's here! Look, it's customized skincare. It's got my name on it. I made all of these products. Well, I had help. Yes. So let me introduce you to Mixed, MXT, period. Mixed uses AI technology to create products to your specifications. So they have before they started the brand, they had this philosophy that went something like, why stock products if we don't have to? Like why stock pre-made products, skincare like you and I buy off the shelf if we don't have to? Why not make it on demand in small batches, small quantities? Let's start with really good formulas and allow people to customize each of the treatments for their own needs, for their own personal needs, for their skin, for their climate, the time of year, all of that. And so apparently Mixed's products have, or Mixed artificial intelligence algorithm has a combination of 40 million products possible. So I want to just quickly show you their website and how the product formulation process works. If I can just take you through this quickly, and then we'll look at the 5 products that I made. So you go to their website, right? And you see that it says custom mix for your best skin ever. Shop custom skincare. You click on that. Let's make it yours. You have 2 options. You can mix it yourself with the help of their base formulations, or you can let their experts do it for you. So basically, in both instances, you're going to fill out a questionnaire, really detailed questionnaire, and we're going to go through it. But let's say I'm a big smarty. I want to make my own product, which is what I did here with these 5. So start your mix. My Wi-Fi tripped up. Okay, so start your mix. Create a custom mix or choose a cult favorite. So off to the left side, you have product type and you have specific skin concerns. So let's make a mask. And let's say my skin concerns are, so you have an option of blemishes, detox, dryness, dullness, eye area aging, firmness, large pores, oiliness, redness, scarring, texture, uneven tone. I'm just gonna choose texture. And then what you see is you have a whole bunch of options for the type of mask that you can choose from. So here's one, masks for texture, smooth finish, deep cleansing mask. This one's for blemishes. There's 2 masks here for blemishes, but I'm just gonna choose smooth finish, deep cleansing mask for the hell of it. Customize yours. Let's adjust your smooth finish, deep cleansing mask and get it just right for you. So what's your first name? I'm gonna type in Carmine. Go. Hi Carmine, it's so nice to meet you. And then you're gonna go through this quick questionnaire. Is your skin sensitive? I always say it's sensitive. It's not necessarily sensitive, but I don't want to sensitize it. I don't want anything that's going to cause it to overreact. So just say yes. Just say yes to sensitivity. What happens? Irritation or inflammation, clogged pores and breakouts. I would say irritation or inflammation. How do you feel about scent? Absolutely not. No, only use ingredients with no noticeable scent. What other concerns should your custom mix focus on? Let's say uneven tone. Now let's customize your deep cleansing mask. Please choose 3 ingredients. So this is where you have the option to add in a little bit extra boost ingredients that you know that your skin loves or that aren't included in the treatment that you would love in there. So I love the idea of essential mineral ferments, and I added that to 2 of my formulas already, so I'm going to do that again. Let's say glycolic acid and some algae, some soothing, replenishing algae. So I've added in an essential mineral ferment, some fermented actives that are rich in minerals, glycolic acid for obviously the biggest boost of resurfacing possible, and replenishing antioxidant miro algae extract, which I've also added into other products. Click here when done. We've updated your mix with essential mineral ferment, glycolic acid. Customize your bottle. Carmine. 1 sec while we finalize your custom mix. And here you go. Hi, this balancing deep cleansing mask is custom mixed just for you. And it goes through exactly what the mask does. The key ingredients in the mask were fruit acid complex, azelaic acid, which is terrific at brightening skin, minimizing the look of discolorations, lemon peel brightener, and that's what they're calling out in the formula. But here's the ingredients 2 of the 3 ingredients that I chose: glycolic acid and miro algae extract. And again, I also chose the mineral-rich fermented actives. And then you have a full ingredient list. So everything's here. Everything that the formula already had in it, and then what you've added to it. There's a whole slew of fermented actives: copper ferment, magnesium ferment, zinc ferment, iron ferment. And you're all set. $24. For $24, you have a terrific cleansing mask. Actually, I think I probably need to go ahead and just buy that. So that's the mix technology. That's how cool it is. And let me show you what I've made. So I made 5 products in all. The first time out, I made what's called what's called deep hydration fluid treatment. There's none left in this, so I'm gonna have to open this up and get some of it out. And the second thing I made that first time around was this ultra quenching non-foaming cleanser. These 2 products. Then I was so excited, about a week later, both of them came to me and I got started in my big mix product discovery. And I don't know, about 2 weeks after that, I was like, I wanna try some other stuff. So I made this luminous clay mask, which is powered by, I think, 5 AHAs salicylic acid, and I added in bromelain, which is an enzyme derived from pineapples. I made a super nourishing vital serum, and I made this ultra quenching water, which is essentially a super refreshing toner. So let me just take you through each of these products quickly and tell you what they came with and what I did to them to customize them for my skin and my personal needs. So let's start with the deep hydration fluid treatment. The product was already formulated with glycerin, squalane, a slew of antioxidant botanicals and other plant oils, non-fragrant plant oils, and also 1 form of hyaluronic acid called 130 KDA, which is 1,000 Daltons, 130,000 Daltons. That's just some sort of molecular weight measurement. Hyaluronic acid. And that particular form of hyaluronic acid is the best, most effective form of hyaluronic acid available in skincare. But Mixed gave me the option of adding in another form, which is a little bit smaller, or maybe bigger. No, smaller. It's called 50,000 Dalton hyaluronic acid. So I added that in, and I also added in some fermented extracts. You see it's got a little bit of a brownish hue to it. Let me see if I can get any more out of this. Yeah. You see it? It's got this brown hue, which I would imagine is from the plant botanicals and probably the ferments. No smell, of course. I told them I wanted nothing that had any fragrance in it, so there were no fragrant plant oils or added fragrance. It's just a great treatment. I love this product. It's a super moisturizer. And I went through it. I guess it lasted me about, I want to say 3 weeks to a month. It's 1.18 ounce, 35 ml. And I think it was 35 or 40. Very cool. You have the option when you select serum, you have the option of something like, I don't even know, a ton, maybe 20 different serum types, but absolutely check it out. mxt.co, I believe, is the web address, but I'll drop it into the comments below. And of course on the SKINCARMA blog, all the links for all the products will be there. So the second product I created was the ultra quenching non-foaming cleanser. Literally no foam. It says non-foaming. They are not kidding. There is no foam from this cleanser. And because there's no foam, I discovered or tried it as I created my own skincare hack out of it, and that's to leave it on as a super hydrating, nourishing mask. So this cleanser contained glycerin, coconut water, and sodium hyaluronate, which is the salt form of hyaluronic acid, and it's super compatible with the skin. And I added in algae extract to make it more nourishing and to give it some antioxidant benefits. And that's why I thought it would be very cool to try just leaving it on my skin. So a few times now I've left it, I've put a thin even layer on my face, and I've left it on for 15-20 minutes, and it leaves your skin like super nourished, sorry. And again, it doesn't foam. Look at this. It's just kind of there. But it's effective. For a non-foaming cleanser that doesn't strip the oils off your skin, it's pretty effective. Obviously, it leaves your skin feeling fresh, but it doesn't leave a tight feeling. Some people like that. Some people like the foaming action. I get it. I'm just not one of those people. So, very cool cleanser, super mild, super gentle, so mild and gentle that you can leave this cleanser on for 20 minutes and let all of that goodness, instead of washing it down the drain, all those antioxidants penetrate the skin barrier and do what they're supposed to do. When you the thing about cleansers is when you wash them off, everything's gone. If a cleanser does what it's supposed to do, it's not really doing anything else after you've washed it off. So that's why it's great to find a cleanser like this that you can actually leave on. Leave on is like a mask treatment. A wash-off mask. So, I was so excited. I went back for more mixed skincare. I got really into it. And so I created what's called Super Nourishing Vital Serum. This stuff is really cool. It's kind of a conventional serum you're gonna see. It's super silky. Absorbs pretty much instantly. Like, I put the cap back on and I turn around to go back to the medicine cabinet and I go to put this in there and I come back and everything's been absorbed. So what's so unique about this product? It's powered by resveratrol. Wait, what else? Oh, peptides, sorry. And the 50,000, that really tiny hyaluronic acid molecule. But the resveratrol, if you don't know, resveratrol is the antioxidant found in grapes and in red wine that actually makes red wine so healthy. It's a really potent antioxidant. It's terrific if you can get it into your skincare. The Ordinary makes a resveratrol and ferulic serum that I love. It's terrific. So this is powered by resveratrol. Terrific antioxidant, terrific hydrator, and like I said, absorbs pretty much instantly. When I say instantly, in this case, I really mean it. The fourth product, and I demonstrated this on my IGTV, my @SKINCARMA IGTV. If you go there, you can watch me use it this past weekend. I need a spatula. This is kind of a conventional clay mask. You see the white clay. It's bentonite and kaolin. It's also got glycerin in it at a really high level. I think that was the number 4 ingredient. It was like water, bentonite, kaolin, and glycerin. And because it has glycerin at such a high level, that means it doesn't dry down on the skin, which I love. I never want a cleanser to dry down, because usually when they dry down, they absorb oils as they're drying down and they leave your skin dried out. Not a good thing. You never want to do anything to dry out your skin. So this stuff is pretty amazing. And like I said earlier, it's powered by, I think it was 5 AHAs, glycolic, lactic, mandelic, malic, and of course I'm forgetting one. Was it tartaric? It might have been tartaric. Oh no, it was citric acid. In addition to the 5 AHAs, it also has salicylic acid, and I added bromelain, which is an extract, an enzymatic extract from pineapple. So think of this as not just a deep pore cleansing mask, but also a deep pore alpha hydroxy, beta hydroxy combination resurfacing mask. You really feel this stuff tingle on your skin. It wasn't irritated. I didn't notice any irritation afterwards, but you can feel it doing the trick. If that's something you love, this is the mask for you. Yes! Left my skin super glowy. I mean, I think it looks super glowy, right? Pretty good stuff. That's my luminous clay mask. And lastly is a toner that kind of got me all choked up in a nostalgic kind of way. So when I worked at Kiehl's, we had this iconic product. It was iconic at the time. It's since been discontinued. It was called Sodium PCA Oil-Free Moisturizer. And it contains sodium PCA, which is one of those like classic skincare ingredients. It's not sexy. It's been used for 1,000,000 years, like glycerin. Nobody cares, even though it's effective. Vitamin C is getting like a resurgence now. But glycerin, sodium PCA, they've been in skincare forever. Sodium PCA is really super skin compatible because it already exists in your skin, and your skin recognizes it, and it kind of allows it to do its thing. It's terrific as a moisturizer, and I saw that was in this product and I went nuts. This product is perfect for summer. It's super refreshing. It has some zinc in it, which helps to control, absorb excess sebum on the skin surface. So it's exactly what you need on a hot, humid summer day. It's super refreshing. It's got coconut water in it, coconut juice, just like really, really refreshing. That's how it comes. What did I do to tailor it for my own skin? I added amino acids, and of course I added mushroom ferment, which has some terrific anti-aging benefits to it, in addition to being replenishing. So I made this. I made all of these. So cool. You have to check out Mix, guys. The blog will be ready on Tuesday, so be sure to check that out too at SKINCARMA.com. And check out Mixed. I'm going to be doing what I think is the coolest giveaway ever on Thursday with Mixed, so be on the lookout for that. Watch my my IG page for the announcement. All right, terrific. Spock would be so proud. He would love these. This is how skincare in the future is done, and the future is here. Check it out, Mixed, guys. So cool. Have a good one. I'll catch you later.